Welcome to BYK Expert Lecture Series 2020-21. I am Jayashree Joshi from BYK College of Commerce, Nasik. Due to this pandemic situation, we are unable to meet physically, so this series has been organized. In this video, we will see how to present paper for board exams. This series will help you all to face HSC board exams confidently. Now, let us see the first point, that is do's and don'ts. Try to reach exam center half an hour before time so that you will be relaxed. After entering exam hall, settle down and meditate for a minute. This will help your mind to calm down. Then go through question paper slowly. Keep your mind stable. Believe in yourself and avoid attempting questions in haste because it will lead to mistakes. Write proper seat number in your answer sheet. What? Write proper seat number in your answer sheet. Don't write name or prayer of God. Examiner doesn't give marks by seeing God's name. So, please don't write these things in your paper. Also, don't do any request. Avoid keeping mobile or any copy material with you. You are not allowed to bring bag. You are allowed only to bring your writing material. What? You are allowed only to bring your writing material. Do not keep the pages of answer sheet blank. Don't leave pages in between. Solve every question on a new page. If you continue the question on same page, you won't get marks for that particular question. So, every question should be started on a fresh new page. Correct? In last lecture, we discussed our paper pattern. 20 marks for ABT, that is application based test, and 80 marks for written exam. And the most important, focus on time management. Don't waste extra time on particular question. If you are not able to remember any answer, then leave the question and move to the next question. Time management is very important. Now, we will see the time management and how to present the board paper. In question number 1, there will be 4 sub-questions. You must have seen in last lecture there are 10 bits. But in board question paper, there will be any 4 sub-questions. We don't know which sub-questions are selected by board. What? We don't know which sub-questions are selected by board. So, you prepare for all 10 bits. Correct? Sub-questions A is for 5 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. So, for each sub-question, you have only 5 minutes. And question 1 has 4 sub-questions, that is A, B, C and D. So, you have 20 minutes for question 1. Maximum by 11:20 you have to finish your question 1. How to present question number 1? First, read every sentence very carefully. Choose the answer and write properly. Underline the correct option and rewrite the statement. What? Rewrite the statement. In match the pairs, certain options are quite similar. So, there is a chance that you may get confused. Therefore, read carefully and select proper answer. For example, in group A, small depositors, and in group B, first less than 20,000 and fifth option less than 25,000. Which is the correct answer? Less than 20,000. In one word, or true or false, or any. You have to write full sentence and then write the answer in next line. You have to learn all objectives properly. Now, the next question number 2. Explain the following terms or concepts. Out of 6, you have to write any 4. Each concept carries 2 marks. You have 2.5 minutes for each term. Altogether, you can take 10 minutes and you can finish it by 11:30. In this question, you have to write perfect concept. Don't write other information and lengthy answer. Now, question number 3. Study the following case or situation and express your opinion. You have to attempt any 2 out of 3 cases. 3 marks are there for each case. You have to give 10 minutes for each case. Altogether, 20 minutes. You have to finish this question by 11:50. First, you should read all cases properly. Think about it and then write your opinion in short. Don't write the case or situation in answer sheet. Write only answer properly. In question number 4, distinguish between. You have to solve any 3 out of 4. Each distinguish has 4 marks. You have to give 10 minutes for each and you have to finish by 12:20. What is important in this question? Read all distinguish first. Don't make hurry. Each distinction answer should have 5 to 6 points. Don't write improper heading. That is, heading and its explanation should match. You can draw 3 columns or write heading in the middle and then write the difference. Don't write in paragraph. Don't write in paragraph. Write the statement in full. Don't write incomplete sentences. Otherwise, you will not get full marks. If you write correct answer in one column and incorrect answer in another column, you won't get marks. So, both answers must be correct. Understood? Now, question number 5. Answer in brief. You have to write any 2 out of 3. Each answer carries 4 marks. You can give 10 minutes for each question and you have to finish by 12:40. Select only those questions which you know well. For features or importance, you have to write maximum 5 points. Describe those points properly in details. Underline the points. Understood? Now, question number 6. Justify the following statements. You have to attempt any 2 out of 4. Each answer carries 4 marks. You can give 10 minutes and you have to finish this question by 1 p.m. In this question, give proper reason for the statement and prove the statement incorrect. Read all statements properly and then write. Maximum 5 points. Correct? Underline the important words. Write answer to the point. In question number 7, attempt the following. This question is on correspondence. Any 2 out of 3. 5 marks for each letter. You can take 15 minutes for each letter. You can finish it by 1:30 p.m. In this question, 3 letters will be asked. That is on members, debenture holders and depositors. You have to write only 2 letters. What is important in this question? Name and address of the company, date, reference, subject, salutation, main body, complementary clause. If any enclosure, then write name, for example, check, share certificate, etc. No marks will be given if only layout is given. Understood? No marks will be given if only layout is given. Now, last question number 8. Long answer question. Answer the following. Any 1 out of 2. This question is for 8 marks. You can take 20 minutes for this question and you have to finish by 1:50 p.m. In this question, what is important? 2 marks for definition and meaning, 6 marks for content, features, types, procedure, etc., whatever is asked. For example, define preference shares and explain the various types of preference shares. You have to write first definition of preference shares and then explanation of various types. You can utilize last 10 minutes for rechecking the paper. You can utilize last 10 minutes for rechecking the paper. If your time management is perfect, then it will be easy for you to present your paper perfect. From examiner's point of view, to the point answer, perfect points, then perfect paragraph, neat and clean handwriting, proper margin on both sides of paper, underline the important words, most important, every question on new page. Then in correspondence, important things, date, salutation, chart, complimentary clause, enclosure, etc. If your answer is perfect, examiner can give you perfect marks. Correct? Next Tuesday, we will be taking lecture for ABT, that is application based test. So, till then, keep solving all objectives which are beneficial for your ABT and board exam. What? Till then, keep solving all objectives. Understood? Okay. Thank you.